Set. Okay, round one. Marco and Arnell. Ready? Set. Dude, are you guys ready? Set. Go. Dude, I hate when Rick and Marco does that. He always grabs your head. Dude, Marco always does that when he grabs your head and like puts you down.
Keep pushing him away. When he gets close to you, push him away. Just keep stalling.
Exactly. Arnell, like, don't let him put your head down.
Just jump.
Get low, Arnell, get low.
Calm down, Marco. Hit his balls.
Can you guys do something?
Hit his balls. Accidentally.
Look at him.
Dude, we're not boxing. Stop putting your hands up.
What are you doing? Catch him with that.
Dude, so fast.
Dude, like 1 minute left. This is like our last one we can do.
Oh, that's a technique.
Look. When you set up, you go backwards like that.
Wait, what happened? How do you think so?
Arnell, you type out? Are you good? Arnell, put your right leg. Arnell, put your left leg up when he gets you like that. Put your left leg up.
Try to get my legs. Try to get my legs.
Dude, you're supposed to like put your left leg up.
Try to get my legs. Like that. You like that. Push him down like that.
You box off the leg. Once you're right here, you like grab.
Just grab his head.
And then what do you do after you grab his head?
Just stay like that.
Come on, dude, hurry up.
Then you grab his head and then you toss him over.
See, I hate when you do that, Marco. Where he grabs your freaking head.
What the fuck are you doing?
It's like boxing, man.
Wanna face him? What the hell is that?
Guys, can you guys like do a drop? Hey, guys, go low.
I already tried too fast.
That's an insult. That's a put down.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Cheap shot!
Cheap shot! Cheap shot!